Hey, how do you open a pineapple? With this? How about this? If you love fresh pineapples, then you're probably intimidated by this. So you end up buying this. What you need is the Easy Peasy Pineapple Slicer by Dinami Products. It peels, slices, and cores a whole pineapple in seconds. It's stainless steel, FDA approved, and fulfilled by Amazon. So let me show you how you use this. Cut off the crown, position the slicer, then twist clockwise. When you get to the bottom of the pineapple, pull the slicer straight out. See? Super easy. See what customers are saying about this product. Took 10 seconds. I like the steel construction, the sharp blade, and it's easy to clean. Not a plastic toy like I've seen in stores. Another customer said, easy peasy, as it says on the box. Quick and accurate. Superior product in every regard. I know you want one, so go to Amazon.com and search for Dinami products. For a limited time offer, get 20% off the list price. Enter the coupon code on the screen. When you order this pineapple slicer, you also get this awesome bonus e-cookbook, valued at $9.99. Don't delay. This coupon is only good until the end of the month.